to our channel. Today we are covering the questions and answer on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Architect Associate. To find the complete list of questions and answer, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment section. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Now the question is, which two statements below are correct with respective to adding secondary virtual network interface cards (VNICs) to an existing compute instance in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure? Choose two options. And the options are: Option A, the secondary VNIC is required to be in the same virtual cloud network (VCN) but can be in different subnet as the primary VNIC. Option B, the primary and secondary VNIC association can be in different virtual cloud networks (VCNs). Option C, you cannot assign an ephemeral public IP to a secondary VNIC. Option D, the primary and secondary VNIC association must be in the same availability domain. And option E, you can remove the primary VNIC after the secondary VNIC's attachment is complete. The correct option is option B and D. Next question is, you provisioned an Oracle Autonomous Data Warehouse (ADW) on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure (OCI) and imported data into ADW. You want to give your business analyst the ability to connect to the ADW database and run queries. Which two actions can help you to meet these requirements? Choose two options. And the options are: Option A, create a database user account for the business analyst. Option B, grant the predefined database role (DW role) to the database user. Option C, grant unlimited tablespace privilege to the database user. Option D, grant the predefined database role DW8DW to the database user. And option E, grant the predefined database role DW user to the database user. The correct option is option B and C. Next question is, which statement is true about interconnecting virtual cloud network (VCN)? Options are: Option A, VCN support transitive peering. Option B, peering VCNs should not have overlapping CIDR blocks. Option C, VCNs must be in the same tenancy to be peered. And option D, the only way to interconnect VCNs is through peering. The correct option is option B. Next question is, which two statements are true about restoring a volume from a block volume backup in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure block volume service? Options are: Option A, you can restore a volume from any full volume backup but not from an incremental backup. Option B, you can only restore a volume to the same availability domain in which the original block volume resides. Option C, you can restore a block volume backup to a larger volume size. Option D, you can restore a volume to any availability domain within the same region where the backup is stored. And option E, you can restore only one volume from a manual block volume backup. The correct option is option C and D. Next question is, You are running a mission critical database application in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure (OCI). You take regular backups of your DB system to OCI object storage. Recently, you noticed a failed database backup status in the console. What step can you take to determine the cause of the backup failure? Options are: Option A: ensure that your database host can connect to the OCI object storage. Option B: ensure the database archiving mode is set to no archive log. Option C: make sure that the database is not active and running while the backup is in progress. Option D: don't restart the DC agent program even if it has a status of stop or waiting. The correct option is option A. Thank you.